Getting the tint redone just to do it, just to see if it looks better. I ain't gonna even need the front. I'm just going back purple. It's cool, but it's fishbowl. Hey everybody, it's your boy here, Khalid Muscle. We're back at you with another video. Hyphy gang, we're up in here. Hyphy. What's up with all my hyphiettes? My all hyphiers. Let's see if you see on there. Is it even on there? Oh yeah, SRT. See that we in the jailbreak today. Got the tint. We are getting the tint redone just to do it, just to see if it look better. We did getting the tint from Tint called Ionize. So it's 8:30 a.m. and we at this gym. So here he go out here, Hyphy Whitey. Look at him, sleepy. That looks sleepy. He's sleepy over there, man. Wake up, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is what the tent look like right now. Get out the way. So it is the perfect look, but like I say, I'm gonna do the Ionize, color changing, and we're gonna see how that goes. You got them cookies? Y'all know we on the hunt for the best cookies.
I think I got it, honestly.
Oh, bro. Oh, those look good. Damn. I already can tell those, man. Yeah, I can't wait.
This one's like look. It looks hard,
ooh,
right?
Yeah,
looks hard and chunky. Bro, you open that up, that thing's like dough, man.
Is that right? You got it?
Sleepy. Yeah.
You think you got it?
No, I think I got it for sure.
Well,
yeah.
Damn, I'm excited.
Like, that's it, bro.
Wee! It's going down, boy. This is about to go down with the cookie bit. Oh yeah, they go to million.
Nasty, but,
oh yeah, I didn't know where that thing. I was looking at my house. I was like, where the hell?
On behalf of YouTube, congratulations.
Exactly. Million subs don't mean crap.
Yeah, there you go. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Woo!
Yeah. You passed it. Yeah.
Million subs. Yeah. Well, so the next one I think is 10 million, right?
10, yeah.
That's yeah. Yeah, that'd be another 15 years. Eventually we are gonna have to have our own gym, our private space, so we can film how we want to, especially we're gonna be doing consultation training. We got a training program coming out. So we're gonna have to have our own space. You know, we don't do well around the public, and the public don't do well around us. They either tripping on us, well, 99% of the time they tripping over filming, and we just high energy, man. We're loud sometimes and have fun, laugh. A lot of people don't like to laugh and having fun. So yeah, man, we go in here, get a quick workout, then we go to tent status, get the tent. It's gonna be fun, exciting day for you guys. Let's go. Gee, got this back today. We gotta get it fast, so I don't have time to mix up no supplements. So I got my work gum, baby. You can either get it like this, if you want a lot of it, you get it like that. So you can get it either way. Yo picking, this is easy access. This is when you need a lot of it on you. And each one is 50 mgs of caffeine. Ooh, I like how that one look. Look like it's been in there for a while, saturating, marinating in the goodness of the caffeine and the nootropics. Come on, man. It's time to work out. Trying to hold on to my muscle hype. He like, oh, he lost so much weight, got so skinny. Yeah, those the people that live long. They act like that's a bad thing. They so brainwashed into being puffy and overweight and unhealthy that they think that's the norm now. Whoever lean, mean, got a chance of living the longest lifespan. Being bulky and fat, you don't live long. I mean, all you gotta do is look at all the people that died too young, too worried about having big muscles and eating up everything. You see all these people dying of yeah, it hurts so good. My favorite word is relax. That's all you gotta do. You ain't gotta go out every weekend. You ain't gotta smoke. You ain't gotta drink. You ain't gotta eat fast food. Relax. Put the less amount less stuff in your body as possible. We already brushing our teeth. We already using deodorant. We already using body wash. All that's chemicals your body ingested that you don't even think about. We already breathing toxic air. And then you want to top it off with cigarettes, alcohol, processed food. Like, come on, bro. Jacqueline Lane was on to something, and Dr. Sebi on to something about being a fruitarian. I'm getting strong like a real silverback that eat only bananas. We're back. We're back at Tint status, about to get some tint. I know you guys probably like, what is he doing now? He's gonna rice it out. But look, the tint is perfect like it is, purple, right? But we gotta go all out. You know I'm crazy, so we had to go to Omni Tint, get the ionized tint, and we gonna go ahead and rice it out, as you guys say. But the thing about ricing it out is, guess what, guys? I can take it off. I can just peel it all off and it's back stock how you guys like it. So when it goes up for raffle, you guys gonna be able to personalize it however you want it. Yes, I said it's going up for raffle. One, you guys gonna be able to win it, and we're gonna have second place winner and a third place winner too. But that's, I shouldn't even jump the gun on that. We over here at Tint status and Van Nuys, and they gonna hook it up like they always do. You guys ready? You see it now, and now you're gonna see it how it's gonna be.
Oh yeah.
That's the Aurora?
Yeah.
Oh, so that just,
It's clear.
yeah. So it was like remember we did the Camaro like that? This is a unique tint. It like blends in whatever the car is. So we're not putting that one on this one. That's going on the Mustang. I got the other one for this. Purple one looks the best, but we'll see.
You guys get a keychain?
I don't know, it might hit kind of hard because it's a little contrasty with that. I don't know, it looks kind of good.
We're gonna see, because it's color changing. So. These cookies, man. They wanted me to try them out, tell me what I think. Let's see. So this is the same one? All of them same?
No, that one's chocolate chip.
This one?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see the opening. Oh, yeah. Hopefully nobody saw that out in public. Crumble who? Who? Crumble?
White
Cranberry?
chocolate cranberry.
This already, I feel it already want to give. It's time for you to be a beast. Go get your Hype Me Power Set at hypelife.com. Yeah. And I'm supposed to be a fruitarian, man. But, hey, I'm keeping it real. I'm a fruitarian. Plus, I have some special cookies when I get a super sweet too. We gonna let y'all know where to get these cookies soon. Yeah. I ain't gonna even need the front. I'm just going back purple. Look at that. It's fishbowl. I'm gonna just go back purple. Don't worry about Friday. I gotta order the purple back. It's cool, but it's fishbowl.
Too light.
Yeah, yeah.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.